Right now, thousands of real estate agents are experimenting with AI, and that's a good thing, but there's a problem. Most agents are using AI completely wrong. They open ChatGPT and they drop in a quick question. They copy the answer and they post it somewhere. And then they say, AI isn't that impressive. But the truth is, AI isn't the problem. The problem is how agents are using it. Because when AI is used correctly, it becomes one of the most powerful leverage tools that real estate agents have ever used. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 biggest mistakes agents make when using AI, and most importantly, how to fix those mistakes immediately. Mistake number 1, treating AI like it's Google. The first mistake agents make, it's simple. It's that they treat AI like it's Google. They ask a short question, something like, write a listing description or give me social media ideas. And the answers they get back, they're pretty mid, they're pretty average. And then they walk away assuming that, what's all the hype? AI isn't that powerful tool. But the problem isn't the tool. The problem is the prompt. AI works best if you give it context. For example, here's a prompt for my specific area. You are a real estate marketing expert. Write a compelling listing description for a $1 million lakefront property in Lake Arrowhead, targeting second home buyers relocating from Los Angeles. See, now AI understands the audience. It understands the price point. It also understands the lifestyle. And suddenly, the output, it becomes dramatically better. Mistake number 2, asking for content instead of creating systems. The second mistake agents make is asking AI for one-off content. They say things like, write a post or write an email. That's fine and all, but the thinking there is much too small. Instead, we should be asking AI for entire systems. Here's a perfect example, once again, utilizing my area. Create a 30-day social media plan for a real estate agent in a mountain resort market. Or build a follow-up sequence for buyer leads who stopped responding after a showing. Now with these, AI isn't helping with a task. It's building the framework for your business. And that's where the real leverage begins. Mistake number 3 is not training the AI. Third mistake agents make is never training the AI. Most people treat AI like it's a vending machine. Ask a question, take the answer, and then move on. But AI gets dramatically better when you actually give it feedback. For example, as you refine the responses from the AI, ask it things like, rewrite this to sound more conversational, or make this shorter, make it more concise, make it friendlier, make it more professional, make it firm, make it empathetic, make it so that it's targeting first-time home buyers. Every time you refine the response, the output improves, and eventually you get exactly what you wanted, what you had in mind, and sometimes something much better than what you had in mind. So right now, let me share with you the secrets of what the smart agents, the ever-evolving agents, the ones that are all in on AI and scaling their business at a massive scale, let me share with you what they're doing and how they're using it. First and foremost, they're using it as a thinking partner. They're brainstorming ideas with AI. They'll say things like, help me refine this marketing message. Help me build a system to insert your goal. Help me create scripts. Help me generate content frameworks and social media calendars. It becomes a tool that helps them think faster, think deeper, and think with more context. And when you think this way, you think faster, deeper, and with more context, everything in your business scales. So let's take a step back. Let's look at the bigger opportunity here, team. Most agents think that AI is about writing posts or generating emails, but the real opportunity is so much bigger. AI helps agents plan content, design entire marketing campaigns, build detailed workflows, and create powerful, duplicatable, and repeatable systems. In other words, AI helps agents become better business operators. Helps them improve their business. And why does this matter? It matters because we're still early on in this shift, team, and most agents haven't figured this out. But the ones that do are going to create a massive advantage because they'll move faster, produce more content, respond to clients faster, and build stronger systems. AI is not magic. AI is not about replacing agents. It's not about replacing you. But when it's used correctly, it becomes one of the most powerful tools that you can possess. The key is all about learning how to ask better questions, because better prompts create better results. If you're a real estate agent and you want help implementing AI into your business, I offer one-on-one coaching where we build AI workflows. We build the systems, the strategies, and the AI solutions together. We work on your prompts, your marketing frameworks and your marketing systems, your lead follow-up automations, your lead funnels. Everything is designed specifically for you and your hyper-local customizable business. It's not one size fits all, team. It's customized to you. There's a link down here, right here. Go ahead and click on that. There's an application there where we have the opportunity where just fill out a few basic information and we can have a one-on-one conversation. We can determine if my systems, my strategies, my solutions, what I offer is of a benefit to you and your business. If it's not, no problem. You can stay subscribed to the channel and continue to receive value. But if there is value and you want to take it to the next step in working together, we do have that opportunity. Look, team, it's my role, my goal, my mission to help you grow your business. But at the end of the day, it is just that. It's your business. So get out there, get after it, grow your business. We'll talk soon, team. Bye-bye.